Hello everyone, I am Sai Jitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the always on display functionality and the features which is present in the Mi11X device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Mi11X device, so which is also called as a Redmi K40 device as well, and both phones will be having the same kind of features and same functionality and everything. So let's see friends, what is the always on display usage and what are the different settings you are having in the always on display in this particular model. And in case if you are having any other queries regarding this smartphone, so don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on this particular phone, so which I already reviewed in my channel. You can find a lot of videos on this Mi11X together, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon as well. So let me show you the settings. So as you can see friends, is always on display options which is available. So first let me go here. The first option is to enable the always on display functionality. So once you enable that option, so you do get this kind of options like display items. So for example, if you want to display only for 10 seconds, if you can use that, or if you want to display for always, you can use that, or schedule timing as well from morning to maybe evening or something like that, as you can see. But usually I'll try to prefer using the always every time. I just want to see the always on display like timing every time whenever I look at the phone. That's why I'll try to leave it this kind of option which is the always. So next is next mode is called the My Themes. As you can see, these are the few themes which are available, which you can customize your own themes. So you can add your own images or any GIF images as well. I'll try to explain about the GIF images in another particular video, but in this video let's focus only on the custom images. So you can add your custom images similarly like this, and you can custom text as well. As you can see here, all this custom text. So whatever you created, your themes, everything will be stored in this My Themes category. So for example, so right now the number is of 5 number, as you can see here. So let me try to select a different image and start applying. As you can see, my themes number will increase to 6. So in this way, doesn't matter what you create, everything will be stored in My Themes. So that's a very good neat feature. So next, once you add the image, you do get different kind of options to crop in the image, as you can see here, how much you want it. And next is to change the color of the image. So you can put this kind of negative color effects as well on the image. So these are the notifications of you will be getting here from different applications. So for example, if you are getting from the Facebook, you will receive the Facebook icon, and from WhatsApp icon, similarly like this you will be receiving, as you can see here friends. So that's a very good advantage, so you know exactly what applications you are getting the exact messages from. So next is the color. So as you can see friends, let me try to show you the color of the text is keep on changing. As you can see, you can change the color, you can customize up, and even you can customize the where position of this text where you want it. So either the bottom or either the top, as you can see, bottom up or top. So these are one option, and even you can disable the complete those date as well, date and time, if you want, if you don't want to use. So usually I try to prefer the bottom one. So next is the battery, notification, and the steps. So even you can leave the steps as well, so which will be connected to the your application, and which will be able to track how many steps you have walked throughout the day. So that is the most important thing friends, as you can see here. So usually even I'll try to leave this kind of all these 3 options just to be aware that how many steps I am walking in one particular day. So that is how it is useful for this feature. So now let's move to the another thing which is called the signature mode. So in the signature mode, we do have option of adding the text, as you can see friends. So adding your own kind of text, as you can see. So you can just change your text to your own desired text, as you can see here. I'm trying to change my own to my text itself. So let me try to type Sai Tech Guru and click apply, as you can see friends. So right now it got applied, and let me try to close the lock screen, and this is how the message comes, as you can see. So keep calm and subscribe, this is how the message will come. And let me try to quickly open the phone, and when the image is there, so let me try to click on the image. So image theme is applied successfully, and when the image is there, this is how the image looks like, as you can see here. This is a very good interesting feature which I particularly like here, and where you can have different kind of signatures if you want, as you can see here. If you want the vertical kind of signature, you can have it in this way, as you can see here friends. So this is a kind of vertical way. If you want, you can have it your own text. So different kind of designs you are having. And not only that, you do have the analog watches. So these are the different watches themes you are having. Some of them are live wallpaper watch, as you can see, live wallpaper always on display. So what does it mean is that whenever you try to use the lock screen, the first few seconds it will be in this kind of live wallpaper. So live mode, as you can see, live clock mode, and you are getting very good animations, friends, if you notice or not. So let me try to show you the animations of walking steps. As you can see, small person is walking. So this is a kind of very good neat features which they thought really of so in this phone. So that's a very good advantage in this particular model, friends, in terms of having this kind of different analog clocks. So there are 5 different analog clocks you can use from. So that's the most important thing. So next is a kaleidoscope as well, so which is also kind of a similar kind of wallpaper, but without any live wallpaper, but without any kind of clock on it, as you can see. So let me try to apply this one as well, so you know exactly. As you can see, this is another this is how the design looks like. And next is a digital. So in the digital format, you do get different clock formats, as you can see here. So there are 1 2 3 6 I think 7 clock formats are available in this kind of mode, in the digital mode. 7, as you can see here, friends. Next is select the background, so which are available up to 6. So there is a number given, so which says exactly how many different formats you are getting in each category. By looking at this number, you can decide how much you are getting. As you can see, friends, there are 8 available in this category and there are 5 available. So in this way you can select different formats as well. And in case if you don't have any inbuilt, you can even download from the theme store as well. As you can see, as I am downloading right now. So in this way you will be able to download and apply directly. So let me try to quickly show you how this theme looks like. As you can see, this is a very good theme as well, as you can see, friends, which also looks completely good in my phone. So in this way you'll be able to apply plenty of themes in your phone using this always on display functionality. So this is the main purpose of using this always on display, friends, just to get the notifications as well. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for this kind of important information about this Mi 11X device, because I'll be doing in-depth testing on this phone in the next couple of days. So we should know whether the phone is actually capable enough to buy or not for this kind of huge price. So that is what my main motive of doing so many videos on this particular model. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and for more videos make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my channel Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on this particular phone which I have reviewed in my channel. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.